Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for picking my video today to watch. I really appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing and sticking around and joining my family here on YouTube, which I will leave down below in the description box. And yeah, we're just going to clean up today, do some decorating. I'm not doing anything too crazy for fall just because I'm decorating for Halloween. Usually I start early September and we're almost there. Like we have like 2 weeks left of August, so it's just flying by. PJ and I have our anniversary on the 20th, August 20th. 5 years, guys. I can't believe it's been 5 years already. It's just mind-boggling to me. And to my subscribers, I seriously still even talk to some people that have been subscribed to me since like the first 100. Like, it's so crazy to me. I just want to say thank you. Each and every one of you has literally changed my life to where I can do these videos for a living, and I just want to say thank you. There's just not enough thank yous in this world that I can possibly give you, but I appreciate it, and I hope that you do know that. And thank you for giving me grace to get back on my schedule of 2 videos a week. I'm really excited about being back full time, and I hope that you continue to enjoy my content, and I hope that I can produce some videos that you really love to watch. So anyway, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will talk to you very soon.
Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you. Heart out of my sleeve, now what will I do? Danger. You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshine, the planet's totally alive. I'm bitten, I'm bitten. Red lips, red fingertips, red lights every night. Since I met you, it's been somehow rational's been flushed down the toilet by us. Oh, what a madness. You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshine, the planet's totally alive. I'm bitten, I'm bitten, yeah. I'm bitten, beyond crazy, we're beyond crazy, we're lazy. Oh, you celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshine, the planet's totally alive. I'm bitten, I'm Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day. Mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you're gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. You held me back when I tried to move on from your life, so you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here, 'cause I'm mad, show no fear. Wanna let you know just how it felt. Oh no, 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 no. Don't you think we could? There's no way we could be. No, oh no, 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 no. I know the way you look at me, I know it too well. Now I'm bulletproof. You might find you're gone, but I'm flying high. I'm bulletproof. Don't ever touch the ground. You can never bring me down. You can never bring me down. Can never bring me down. 'Cause I'm bulletproof. Yeah, I'm bulletproof. We've been up, we've been down, trying to figure things out. End up losing myself in it. But I'm done being done. Gotta end it all now. I won't ever turn it round again.
I have everything on the counter now. I'm going to go ahead and show you everything before we start decorating and tell you where I got it from. Some stuff I got last year and the year before, and then I got a couple things this year that are new, like a wreath and a pumpkin that PJ bought us. But like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm not doing a whole bunch just because I am decorating for Halloween very soon, and I want to get that video up as soon as possible as well. So let's go ahead and get started. This is kind of just like a segue into the fall season, even though it's like 100 degrees here every day still, but it's fine. All right, starting with this wreath, we got it from Kirkland's just a couple days ago. PJ bought that, and also a pumpkin, which I will show you. That is actually from my mom from Easter. I don't know where she got it from, but I think it was just like a local seller, but you can find a bunch of those on Etsy. I have my tier tray from Home Goods, and that little bag looking thing is from the Ganachery in Disney Springs, I'm pretty sure. I think that's what it was. Yeah. And then over here I have this tray from Target. This is a Rae Dunn spoon holder. I got that rag today from Target. This candle is also from Target. This stand is from Home Goods. I got that last week. Our utensil holder is from Bed Bath & Beyond. The candlesticks are from Hobby Lobby, and I get the candles from Kirkland's. And then I think that's all the stuff that's going to be in the kitchen area, which I'm really excited about. I did want to put this like dish rag with this candle underneath, but I think I need a little bit of something on this tray, so that also goes on my stovetop, which I do have my jars that will also still be over there because we use those every day. And moving over here, this is going to be my Hutch stuff. So we have our Rae Dunn fall mugs. This is for my Nespresso, and I need to buy some more pods. But I love this little tray. It also matches the one that's going to be on the stove. Got this from Target. This is also from Target. We have a couple Rae Dunn pieces, which is from TJ Maxx, and I bought this from a lady. I think it's a 2017 or 2016. I love the older pieces of Rae Dunn. But I don't really buy too much anymore because I just have so much already. And then these beads are from Hobby Lobby. Moving over here, we have Target rags, Target, Kirkland's. This is the pumpkin that PJ bought us, and this is from Round Top Collection. I can change these little pieces out all year round, so I really like that. And I love this little checkered board. I also have this vase from Home Goods. Alright, sorry guys, I had to go pick these up, and yes, I ate one on my way to the house, but these are buntinis, I believe they're called, from Nothing Bundt Cakes. They're so good. So I need to wash a little cake stand, and I'm going to put them on there. Ignore the pantry is pretty bad, but I want to go ahead and set those out too.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes seemed I'd be worried. You said it was nothing, but I knew you'd get buried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk. We fight fire with fire. It's like we don't know how to talk without the phrase getting higher. You hear and I hear me. Yeah, nothing else in between. Yeah, try to connect without making a scene, but we don't listen. We don't listen when we talk. We don't listen. We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby. Can we see this?
Okay, so I stopped the camera because I just kept rearranging, and that was about to be 30 minutes literally. So this is what I have so far. I really like how everything is looking now. I also got those stems from Target. I didn't think I was gonna like them, but they're all right. They're not my favorite, but I think they look pretty good up there. I don't really want to leave these beads on that row, but we do need to bring, I feel like, some of the color from up here down, because I think I'm going to put my Rae Dunn mugs here and then my clear mugs down here. I use my clear mugs more than anything, so I think I'm going to leave those on that.
As a lesson, then maybe we should open up. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we end up here? We used to laugh so hard. When did we stop loving, babe? When did it all go too far? We don't listen when we talk.
Okay, so I actually have this tier tray from Target that I actually really like, and I think I'm just gonna stand some glasses on there, my clear ones. So I'm obsessed with how everything's coming out. I'm using this to carry them over because they were freaking burning hot. I just got out of the dishwasher. Cute. Oh, this is perfect. I usually only use... Oh. Maybe I should to do like this. I don't really use the bigger ones.